Leibak ki mafam khuding humratuk suba Ganatandra Diwas Palan Pak Sanna Pangthoknabagi manungsana jila sidasu mapung oiba thorom oina Bishnupur DSA grounda January 23 pangthokre thorom dugi mapung oibadi Deputy Commissioner Lauremam Bikram IS na athoiba mithegluin oina parade jangsinba Guard of Honor piba mass pass contingent sina piba salami okpa amadi yatigi phiralbu maningtamna paihanba mapung oiba thorom oiki Mohammed Riazuddin Shah MPS Deputy SP Loktak Protection Force Bishnupur na contingent kuntaret ki parade commander oikiba thoromdugi CRPF contingent su yaukibaga loidana nationalism amadi leibanging bada yumpham oiba cultural program sing saruk jaki bududu su asoba amadi anoba mogi divas oiki tungda mathau ningthina tawba sarkari karmachari sing district level amadi state level da saruk yaduna jila sigi mai purakhraba moi singbusu certificate pidu na pung thawat ki thoramduda deputy commissioner na jila sida pakhaliba tongan ba bibak singi sakhot thorang singi matangda asumna phudokhi.
The district police, in coordination and collaboration with local leaders, Maira Paibis, student organizations and CEOs, have conducted various sensitization, community policing by the concerned sub-divisional police officers and officers in charge of police stations at various peripheral areas to bring normal law and order situation in the district. Not only on the law and order front, but the district police has also distributed relief materials, making regular visits and interacting with the IDPs staying at the relief camps to address any grievances and providing them with security.
India da February anida Sendrada Loktak Development Authority LDA na Sinduna World Wetland Day pangthokki athoiba mitunglen oikiba His Excellency Governor of Manipur na sumna haiki.
If we contribute our own self, each and every citizen, if he thinks that I will not contribute to the wastage or to this thing going into the lake will remain protected. It will grow, it will become much better. And for many years to come, this will remain as our lungs or kidneys and our mother to sustain this whole ecosystem. That's what all of us are looking at. So my request to Chairman LDA also would be, keep focus on the community awareness among all the government programs. Easiest way to communicate and convince are the school children, school students, NCC cadets and other volunteers.
India da Ramsar site haibadi khudong thiraba mangsilakpa yabagi phiwam da leiraba wetland marfumapal oiba haibasida Loktak su aruba phiwam da leiribani masi Asia da khwaidagi masing yambag loinana Prithibigi oina ahunsuba oiribani maduna wetland bu ngak sen bahaibasi darkar oire single use plastic si yari makai si na danaba ga loinana ngasi Loktak ki phibam lusilakibasi community awareness ama piba mathau tari haina Loktak Development Authority LDA yauna tongan organization sing lanai miyoi singda section wa thamlami Loktak asi fresh water oina hectare lising kudaruka satruki lamgan oiduna usek samaga tarataru nga yankai mari makhom thokpa jiba kunithoi mapukna sitpa ising amadi kangphal anida leiba hinaba jiba humpunipal atop jiba masasing sani henna saktariba mafamni hairi khudong thiba nanglagadaba nangba horaklaba haibadi malemdagi mangkhiba yabagi saitheng phangnaba jiba singyauri Loktak asibu hena masak thogalibadi malemda sangai hairiba saji makhalsigi leifam mathanta oirambasini thangaisina mipum khudingna Loktak pat kanbaga loinana sangai busu kanba akoibagi khal kahendana thamba haibasi tangai phadaba mangda taduna leiraba wafamni Sahi khuding February gi ani suba leipak pokpada pangthokpa malemgi Cypher Internet Day pangthokna bagum satkiba February 13 leipak pokpada District Informatic Office na sinduna district level officer singda internet ki kanaba amadi masibu lana sinabagi bangjaba kaya sugaina akang ai singna neinaduna khanaki tungda Bishnupur Higher Secondary School da mairoi singbusu awareness program asi pangthoktuna mairoi singbu bap tan ki
Thank you.